Hello everyone, welcome back for another fabulous Friday idea. Today I am playing with a cute large snowman from Unity Stamp. He's really big and I thought I had a piece of scrap paper to stamp him on, but I don't, so I'm going to grab one of those in a minute. I am also using some ribbon from Really Reasonable Ribbon. And this is white with a silver edge. I have a piece of the Simple Stories Vintage Simple Snowflakes, I think that's what it's called, that I'm going to use. I paired it with the retired Stampin' Up Color Tranquil Tide. I really like the look of that. I have my card base. And then from the Altenew markers, the Seashore one, I chose the emerald color. That's the number for it. When I scribbled it on a paper, it really went well with that. So that's what I'm going to use to color him in. But I have to get a piece of paper, so give me a minute to find a piece for this. All right, he's a big snowman, and I don't think he's going to fit all the way on my card, but we'll find out. So I'm going to ink him up. And then I'll color him in. Oh, I didn't get any gray for his hat and orange for his nose. So I'm going to have to grab those too. I'm going to do this at an angle so I can get the whole thing because I'm going to be fussy cutting him. All right, there he is. All right, let's move that aside. Let me grab my other markers. Okay, I have my orange, so I'm going to take and do his carrot nose first. All right, those hands are going to be interesting to cut around. And then from my Altenew rock collection, I think I'm going to use... Oh, I don't want the real dark one. I want this one. This is, it's number 𝘃𝗶𝗋, I think. Now I don't have the thing anymore. I think it's Industrial Diamond. That's the one I like the most and use a lot. Whoops, wrong end. For snowman hat. Don't ask me why, but it just... We'd be here all day if I use the other end. All right. Go in this way. And then I'm going to do his brim of his hat. Okay. Let me put my lid on and put it away. And now let's pull in this color. And I just thought it went well. Ooh, I got it on his nose. I probably should have used the other end for this. When I bought this, I didn't realize he was as large as he was. I thought he was smaller, but I'm gonna see if I can't play with it and what I can do. And hopefully what I have in mind is going to work. Because like I said, I don't know how much of him I'm going to keep. All right, let me grab my scissors And we'll start fussy cutting. All right. And when I fussy cut, I'm leaving a little edge all the way around like it was die cut. So let me cut this and I'll speed it up. All right, got it done. I didn't know what to do at the bottom of that, so I rounded it off. We'll see how it works. Because like I said, I don't know how much of him I'm going to use. Now, I am going to put this on here because I just figured it would be easier to determine where he goes and how he goes. Oh, I'll see, I should have left it. Darn. All right, let's see. No, he'll come, it'll be off. You know what? I'm wondering, can I take a piece of white? That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to attach him to this piece of white. All right. I'm doing some surgery here. I should have stopped and just gone straight across to see, but I didn't, so nope, can't go that far. It's got to go like that. All right, now I'm going to cut straight down and see what I get. All right, not bad. All right. There's always a way to fix it. All right, I have to decide where my ribbon's gonna go before I put him down. You know what? I think I'm gonna put my ribbon at the top so I can go ahead and put him down. Now I'm gonna put, at least I know what to do next time. And I need my glue to do his arm. Oops. I gotta get the glue off the tip that's dry. All right. Now, I don't want him, I want him even with the bottom, but not, okay, there we go. I should have gone just out and cut it across. Oh, well, live and learn. Next time. All right, now let me get my double-sided tape so I can get my ribbon on. So you see, even the people who've been stamping a long time make mistakes. Sometimes we can fix it, and sometimes we can't. So we just do the best we can. I've got something on the tip of this. Oh, I know what it was. It's probably little tiny pieces of dimensionals from when I popped the backs off. All right. get this on here. And here. All right. And this and this come off. I didn't fold my card base, so I'm going to do that now. There we go. And now I can put this on. And I didn't put any sentiment on there because I think he looks fine. I would say, if anything, you could put hello because it looks like he's waving. But I'm going to keep it plain. I donate a bunch of my cards that I don't sell to an organization that sends cards. They're card angels, and they do send a lot of cards to seniors and shut-ins, and that way they can use it how they see fit. Now I need my blue dots, and here they are, and I've got, let's see which side's better. Oh, I like this side better. Always interview your bow to see which side you like best, and it's going to go right there. See, and there's another fabulous Friday idea for you. And I used the top of him for the inside and the envelope and stamped him and colored him the same. I hope you enjoyed this fabulous Friday idea and that you will come back again next week to see what else I've come up with. Thanks for watching. If you want the measurements, information is on my blog, link is below. Have a fabulous Friday. Bye.